Our epic 8-day North India travel series coming soon. A few months ago, we set off on one of the most unforgettable adventures of our lives, an 8-day winter trip across North India. Now, we are finally ready to share the full experience with all of you. From the snow covered hills of Manali to the timeless beauty of the Taj Mahal, this journey was filled with breathtaking views, thrilling snow games, cozy food stops, unexpected lessons, and countless magical moments. Stay tuned and subscribe and follow along as we relive the journey.
In this video series, you will relive our first experience with live snowfall and snow spots in Solang Valley, visits to serene temples like Harimba and Manu Temple, ziplining through a snowstorm and building our very first snowman.
Falling in love with the Taj Mahal all over again. A 2000 plus km train ride back to Bangalore. Real tips, lessons learned, travel hacks, and budget breakdowns. We captured every step the way, the missteps, and the memories, and we are finally turning it into a full fledged video series that will inspire you to plan your own trip. Episode 1 Planning and Arrival in Delhi drops soon.